This video covers using ShelterPoint's overflow function. We're back in emergency shelter, in ShelterPoint, and in the bed list. Let's pretend that each and every one of these beds is occupied. So in the client column, instead of seeing the empty link next to the bed numbers, we would instead see a person's name next to each and every bed number. And let's pretend we're in a situation where we have more people than beds. And we do have the ability to accommodate these additional people. We can create temporary beds or overflow beds. And that's what the overflow function does. It records putting people into overflow beds. The overflow function is at the bottom of every bed list, and it has the word new in parenthesis to the right of it, and to the right of that is the empty link. When you add people to overflow beds, you can do it one of two ways. You can add each person individually, which you would typically use for a single male or a single female, or you can add an entire household to overflow beds. Let's look at the first way. Let's just add a single individual. To begin, click on the empty link, and the same pop-up appears as when you assign people to fixed numbered beds. I'm looking for a particular Doe. I'm looking for Jerry K. Doe. So I'll click on his link, and under household members, there's no household members here, so we know we have a single male, and we look, again, multiple services. We can add multiple services for a person being checked into overflow. There's no difference there. We'll skip that, and we'll press save and continue. And that checked Jerry into an overflow bed. If we want to continue to add more people into overflow beds, again, next to overflow, new, the empty link, click on it. And this time we'll add John Mike Doe's entire household to overflow beds. So I've been working with him. I click on his link. Screen refreshes. And this text here tells you how to add his household members to overflow. And to begin, to check household members into beds, you need to click on a box beside each name. We always have to do that, so we'll do that. And then here is where it tells you how to add them into overflow. If no bed is specified, i.e. we don't go here to the assign bed link and assign them to a bed, if no bed is specified, an overflow bed will be used. So that's exactly what we will do. We'll skip this assignment, or bed assignment. We'll go right to the bottom, press save and continue. Screen refreshes. And now we see that the entire Doe family has been added into or placed into overflow beds. And when it comes time to check everybody out, nothing's different. Overflow beds are treated just like numbered existing beds. You can choose to check them out or not, or the toggle between check and uncheck all works the same on the overflow beds. And that concludes ShelterPoint overflow function.